SysCloud Backup for Slack is designed to help users quickly recover lost messages, channels, files, and more from accidental deletions and other data loss incidents. In this video, we would like to take you on a quick tour of SysCloud Slack backup application. Setting up SysCloud Backup for Slack is very simple. You can securely connect your Slack workspaces and define the retention periods for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day, and you will have access to an intuitive dashboard that gives you single-click access to the backup archives of all your connected workspaces. You can also see how your backups are progressing and view any critical errors that might affect your backups and restores. Locating lost Slack data is always a breeze. You can search the backup archives using advanced filters like channel name, keywords, workspace files, and more. With SysCloud, you can effortlessly restore data at two levels. You can restore single or multiple threads and workspace files, or an entire channel, all while keeping its memberships intact. A snapshot feature allows you to easily restore or export an older version of the data at any given point in time. Keep a track of all your restores and exports using our granular report feature and easily manage restore workload by assigning additional admin roles. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to safeguard and manage data for their critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today. SysCloud, we have your back.